These are your video announcements for Friday, May 6th, 2022.
Juniors and seniors, be sure to buy a prom ticket at the student store during lunch. They'll be selling for $75 for students and $80 for guests. The deadline to buy your prom ticket is May 12th. Seniors, see Ms. Villani if you're still interested in running for prom royalty.
Students, leadership is hosting a volleyball tournament during both lunches. Go take your team and sign up. Deadline is this Friday. The tournament will be held during both lunches, May 9th through May 13th.
Seniors, make sure to send your pictures on the Instagram page of Class of 22 to make sure you're in the slideshow. If you have not bought your cap and gown, go online and buy it. Your time is running out.
Now for the 1 minute.
On Wednesday this week, Foothill held the open house here in the quad, and this is a 1-minute video on how it went.
Hello, my name is Fox Rule.
And I am Unjanae, and we are with the fhspress.com CTE digital media. This is Mr. Robertson from the district.
Hi, how are you? I am David Robertson. I am the Director of Human Resources here in Twin Rivers. I'm here just trying to find parents that want to work on behalf of the districts at some of our schools, either at Foothill Ranch here, or Foothill High School, or Foothill Ranch, or any of the other schools within our district.
This is Mrs. Felix Tate.
Hello. So here we are showing people what are some of the issues that our special ed students face. Some of them have to do with dyslexia and others have to do with fine motor skills. So here you have to use your other hand in order to try to get through the maze in 30 seconds. With that one, you have to look in the mirror to be able to trace through the maze in 30 seconds. And that's when you find it's really challenging to be able to visualize how it's supposed to look and make it happen. Also, I'm representing the Black Student Union, so here we are.
Hi, we're here with UC Davis, and what is going on here at your booth?
Hi, I'm with the UC Davis Educational Talent Search Program, and we work with students from 9th through 12th grade to help them prepare for life after high school by making sure they have the support, resources, and information they need. Come check us out in the library on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
So our club, Friday Night Live, basically what we strive to do is prevent alcohol and tobacco use, especially among underage people.
Hi, so I'm standing right next to Mr. Paz. So tell us, what is it that you do in your program?
So this is a kinesiology and sports medicine program, and in this class we learn a lot about the human body. We learn how to fix it when it breaks. We learn how to rehab it, and all of that.
So I am sitting right next to Ms. Tobias from culinary. So tell us, what do you do in culinary?
We make lots of foods. We make lots of different foods. And you're able to eat everything you make, and we learn super good skills that you will use throughout your life.
So if you could tell me what this stuff is about here.
So PE is about educating our students about how to be physically fit and keep those habits through their adult life.
I'm here at the athletics booth, and what's going on here?
Yes, so I'm Coach Kayla Bryson. I'm the girls basketball coach here, and we just have all of our sports programs. Kids can sign up, and if they'd like to join us, they can sign up with our QR codes.
All right, so this is a couple of metallic salts. This is copper chloride. There are many types of metallic salts, and when you light them up, you produce a special type of color.
Okay, so I am at the art department. So tell me what is it that you do in this subject?
Absolutely. What we do is basically draw and paint. More than anything, that's what we do.
Hi, I'm at the music booth, and what's going on here?
Well, we are going to have an awesome time next year with the new music teacher, Miss Vargas. You can see right here some of the things she's got planned. It's going to be an awesome year. We want you to sign up, scan the QR code right there, or there's posters around the school, and this is what we do. We make music, and it's awesome.
So I am at the ceramic booth. So tell me, what is it that you do in ceramics?
You get to play with clay and make really fun ceramic pieces that you will want to keep forever, and it will be a momentum of your high school years when you're older.
Hi, we're at the ELA booth, and what's going on here?
Well, first off, my name is Mr. Keck. I'll be teaching 9th grade next year. This year I'm teaching 10th grade, and fun thing about next year is that we're going to have some new English teachers. So really looking forward to that, incorporating some new people, and should be a great year.
Hi, we're at the social studies booth, and what's going on here?
Well, what we're doing, at least in my class, is we're now in the 1950s, and one of the things we're focusing in on right now is going to be advertisements and how advertisement brings about conformity in the culture. And then these guys are going to be thinking about how they go ahead and are conformed by advertisements today.
So I am here standing next to Mrs. Mendoza. So tell us, what do you do?
Well, I am the AVID coordinator, and I'm out here promoting AVID and all of the work that our AVID students have done for College Fair this year.
Hi, we're at the math table, and what's going on here?
So we're the math department, and we teach math, of course. We teach algebra, geometry, statistics, pre-calculus, calculus. Basically, math is about trying to solve problems when you don't know what to do. So there's a lot of life skills in there as well.
Hi, my name is Fox Shul, and unfortunately Unjanae had to leave early. I'm here with fhspress.com and CTE Digital Media. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.